Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get list of groups using admin REST API in Keycloak. So let's get started. So I am using Docker to start up Keycloak on my local setup. So I have just ran this command. So I already have Keycloak up and running, so I can directly visit localhost :8080 and the username and password are just admin, and I'll just click on sign in. So let's just wait for this. Then to use the admin REST API, first we need an access token. So to create the access token, we first need to create a client. So for that we can just go to clients. I'll click on create client, and here you can give it whatever name you want, but do remember this name because this name will be used in lot other places as well. So I'll just name it as my client, and I'll just scroll down and I'll click on next. I'll enable this direct access grant, and I'll also enable client authentication. I'll click on next again, and then I'll click on save. Let's just wait for this. Okay, so this is done. Now what I can do is I can just go to this particular endpoint, localhost :8080. So if your Keycloak server is set up on different domain, you will have to change the domain. Instead of localhost :8080, you will have to use your own domain. Then here it is realms. Okay, this should be your realm name. By default there is a realm name called master, so I have not changed it, that's why I'm using master, but you can again use a different realm. I would advise not to. Then here I have just created a protocol. This is the OpenID connect, and this is the token. Then inside the body, if I just move this, here you can see we are passing the username and password. So I already have a user who is an admin, and his username and password both are admin as well. Then grant type you have to specify as password. Here client ID, whatever a client you have just created right now, in my case it was just my client, and this is the client secret. So for that you can just go to credentials and just copy this client secret. I'll go back to Postman and I'll just replace it over here. Then I'll just click on send, and here you can see my access token was generated. Now the access token is only available for 1 minute. Okay, so before I use the access token, so the access token is used to get the list of groups, right? So this is the API to get list of groups. So I'll just again replace this with localhost :8080. This should be your realm name, which is master. Okay, and here you just need to go to headers, and here we can again, I'll just generate a new access token. Just to I think that access token might have expired, that's why I'll just copy this. I'll come over here and I'll just paste the access token over here after this barrier space access token. I'll just click on send, and here you can see I'm getting an empty array because we don't have any groups created. So you can just go to Keycloak, you can go to groups, and here you can just create a group, and I'll just name it as group 1. You can name it whatever you feel like. And basically groups are used to segregate users. So suppose there are some users who are part of group 1, so you can add them in group 1. So here I'll just create a group 1. Okay, if I go to group 1, here you can see I can create a child group inside a group as well, but I'm not going into that. Then I can just go to a member. I only have one user, which is admin, so I'll just add it. Okay, here you can see this member has been added to a group. Again, I can just go back to the groups tab. I'll click on create group, and here I'll just name it as group 2, and I'll click on create. So here is our second group. So yeah, now let's try to run it. I think the access token might have expired, so here again I'll need to generate the access token. So I'll just send this. Okay, and I'll copy this over here, copy this particular part. I'll come over here and I'll just remove this. I'll paste it over here. I'll click on send, and here you can see we are getting group 1, and we are also getting group 2. So yeah, that's how you can get groups using admin REST API and Keycloak. Thank you for watching. Bye.